Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English online class. Already we've seen section 1. Today we are going to see section 2. Let's start section 2. Soon the roads began to get crowded. Some people were on the tongue and a car, some in motor cars, all wearing perfumes, all bursting with excitement. The children were a calm and contented lot. For village children, everything in the town was wonderful. Whatever caught their eye, they stood and gaped at it with wonder. At last, the Edgar came into view. There were row on row of worshippers as far as the eye could see. Newcomers lined themselves behind the one already there. Finally, Hamid and their friends reached this festival spot. The place where wood crowded. Some are in sitting high places, some were in motor car. All are wearing very fragrant perfume and everyone is excited. The children are calm and contented lot for the wonderful things were surrounded in the town. Where caught the eye, they stood and gaped it wonder. At last, Edgar came into everyone's view. They were standing in row upon row, ready to worship from the distance, where the eye could see. Newcomer also stand in the line for the worship already once there. The prayer was over. Men embraced each other. They descended on the sweet and toys vendor stores like an army moving to attack. There was the merry-go-round with wooden elephants, horse, camels. You pay 1 paisa and had 25 rounds of fun. Mohammed and Muhsin, Noori and other boy mounted horse and camel. Finally, the prayer was over. All the men shaken to each other and say salams. Descended on the sweet and toys shops, ready to attack the rest of the people and buying their things. They were ready to enjoy lot of fun with merry-go-round with wooden elephants, horses and camels. One paid 1 rupee, 1 paisa for 25 fun rounds. Muhammad and Mohsin, Noori and other boys are ready to enjoy the horses and camels. Hamid watched them from a distance, and he had 3 paisas. He couldn't part with the third of his treasure for a few miserable rounds. They were soon done with their rides. Then it was time for the toy. There was a road to stall one side with all kinds of toys, soldiers and milkmaids, king and ministers, water carriers and washer women and holy men. Hamid did not go with merry-go-round because he had only 3 paisas. He stand away from that and seeing his friends, and it's time to buy a toys. All are stand near to the toy stalls. The stall with covered with kinds of toys, soldiers and milkmaids, kings and ministers, water carriers and washerwomen and holy men. Muhammad brought a policeman in khaki with red turban on his head and gun on his shoulder. Mohsin bought a water carrier while Noori got a lawyer. These toys cost 2 paisa each. If they dropped out of his hand, they would be smashed to bit. If drop of water fell on them, the color would run. But he looked at them hungrily and wished he could hold them in his hand for just a moment or two. After the toys, it was sweets. Someone brought sesame seed candy and others gulab jam or halwa. They smacked their lip with relish. Only Hamid was left out. Finally, Muhammad brought a policeman toy with khaki dress and red turban cap on his head and gun on shoulder. Mohsin brought water carrier. Noori was got lawyer. These toys were very costly and 2 paise. Hamid had only 3 paise. How he buy a expensive toy? Finally, Hamid drop out the idea and shamed of bit. If the toy was filled with water, the color would run from it. But he looked hungrily, wished to could hold them paisa in his hand. After that, they went to sweet stall. Someone buy sesame candy and others halwa and gulab jam. They smacked. Smacked means open and close. Lip with so hungry. Action like. Their lips with relish. Hamid was only left out. Gapped, stared, smack your lips, open and close lips noisily to show enjoyment. Relished, enjoyed or took pleasure in the taste.